To download Harry Potter Query Champions on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. To do this, go to Google and type in Steam. Then click on the first link, which should be the official Steam website. Click on the Install Steam button in the top middle of the screen. Select your platform, such as Windows, and click Install Steam again. This will download the Steam setup to your computer. Open the setup and follow the installation prompts, selecting your language and destination folder, and then clicking Install to complete the installation. Once Steam is installed, open the app and either log in to an existing account or create a new one. This will take you to the Steam store, where you can search for Harry Potter Query Champions in the search box. Click on the game, and then scroll down to find the option to buy the game, either the standard or deluxe edition. Click Add to Cart, then select whether you want to buy the game for yourself or as a gift, and proceed to the payment step. Choose a payment method from the drop-down menu and complete the checkout process to purchase the game. After buying the game, it will be added to your Steam library, which can be found by clicking on the Library tab at the top of the screen. Click on the game, and then press the Install button to start the installation process. You will be prompted to select whether you want to create a desktop or start menu shortcut, and which drive you want to install the game on. Click Install to begin the download and installation process. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification from Steam, and the Install button will be replaced with a Play button. Click the Play button to launch the game and start playing.